You want people to go to your website and check out your offer on your website, your blog post, or you want people to buy. The two main ad types that serve those two objectives are traffic and conversions. A traffic ad, you select which interests and which audiences you want to show the ads to, and then Facebook gets as many as possible of them to click on the link to your page, to your blog or your sales page or wherever you're sending them to. Right? A conversion ad does the same thing, except Facebook show the ad to the selection of your audience who are most likely to convert. To explain it, and I want you to see in front of you, it's a double fronted house and you've got a big bit of lawn in front of your house, right? Two big bits of lawn. On this side, you are having a yard sale. We get a few people together in their cars and we say, drive around and bring us as many people as you can who are this age group, this gender, say, live in this area. So bring as many of them as you can to our yard sale. Then when people come to your yard sale, when they've bought something, we ask them to go and stand on the other piece of lawn. So now you've got a piece of lawn over here that is full up of people at your yard sale, and you've got a piece of lawn over here that is not so much full up, but it's full with only the people who have bought something from over there. Those cars that we sent out to bring all the people, that's a traffic ad. That is, go and get me as many people as you can from within these parameters to come to my yard sale. Now, unless we do this, unless we bring all the traffic and then segment out the conversions, we have no idea which out of this long queue of people are going to buy. But if we bring all of the people to the yard sale first and then track those who have converted, and then it can use that information, choose the traffic objectives to bring as many people as you can to your yard sale. And then you track those that convert, and then after you've got 100 people on the conversion site, now you can run conversion ads and say to Facebook, go and get me more of these people. So it's now got a profile of who the people are that convert for you.